These are the top 15 new AI robots that will change everything by 2027. Number 15. Boston Dynamics Electric Atlas. This is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. Right away, what makes this robot stand out is its insane mobility and strength combined into one system. It has 56 degrees of freedom and a 2.3 meter reach, which allows it to move in ways that feel almost human, but more precise. It can lift up to 50 kilograms and operate in extreme temperatures, so it's not limited to controlled environments. And with a 4-hour swappable battery system, it's actually built for real-world use. This is where robotics start becoming practical. Number 14. Tesla Optimus Gen 3. This is the most ambitious humanoid robot on our list. What makes this one different is not just what it can do, but how many Tesla plans to build. It can deadlift 150 pounds, carry 45 pounds while walking, and move at around 5 miles per hour. But the real story is scale. Tesla is aiming to produce thousands, then tens of thousands of these robots. And once that happens, you're no longer looking at a prototype. You're looking at a workforce. This could completely change how physical labor works. Number 13. Figure 03. This is the best AI learning humanoid robot on our list. What makes Figure 03 so powerful is how it learns and adapts to tasks. Its upgraded vision system has double the frame rate, a much wider field of view, and significantly lower latency, which means it reacts faster and understands environments better. But the real breakthrough is in its hands. Each fingertip can detect extremely small forces, allowing it to handle delicate objects with precision. And with plans to scale production massively, this isn't just experimental. It's built for real-world deployment. Number 12. Aptronic Apollo. This is the best industrial humanoid robot on our list. Right away, this robot is built specifically for warehouse and factory work. It stands around 1.73 meters tall, weighs about 72 kilograms, and can lift up to 25 kilograms consistently. What makes it practical is its modular design, which allows companies to adapt it across different environments. It also has around 4 hours of runtime with swappable batteries, so it keeps working without long downtime. This is the kind of robot that's designed to quietly replace repetitive physical tasks at scale. Number 11. Zpang Iron. This is the most powerful high-compute humanoid robot on our list. What makes this robot different is the level of intelligence packed inside it. It features a bionic structure with over 800 degrees of freedom and highly advanced hands, making it extremely flexible and capable. But the real standout is its computing power. With multiple AI chips delivering massive processing performance, this robot is built to think and act in real time. Combined with solid-state batteries, it's designed for long-term deployment in logistics and industrial environments. This is where robotics meets serious AI processing. Number 10. 1X Technologies Neo. This is the best human-assistant humanoid robot on our list. What makes Neo stand out is that it's actually designed for everyday life, not just factories. It's lightweight, around 30 kilograms, but incredibly strong for its size, with each arm able to lift heavy loads while still moving smoothly. It also uses wide-field vision cameras, which gives it strong awareness inside homes. And with soft robotics and AI learning, it's built to safely interact with people. This is one of the first robots that feels like it could realistically exist inside your home. Number 9. Agility Robotics Digit. This is the best logistics robot on our list. What makes Digit so important is that it's already being used in real warehouses. It's built to move like a human, which means it can work in spaces designed for people without needing special infrastructure. It can carry packages, navigate using LiDAR and cameras, and handle repetitive tasks like moving items across facilities. And with factories ramping up production, this robot is moving from pilot programs to real deployment. This is where humanoid robots stop being experimental and start becoming part of actual operations. Number 8. Sanctuary AI Phoenix. This is the most human-like decision-making robot on our list. What makes Phoenix different is its focus on behavior, not just movement. It's powered by advanced AI models designed to mimic human decision-making, which allows it to perform a wide range of tasks instead of being limited to one function. It can lift, move, and interact with objects, but more importantly, it can understand what it's doing. And it's already being tested in retail and logistics environments. This is a big shift from robots that follow instructions to robots that can actually think through tasks. Number 7. Unitry H1. This is the fastest humanoid robot on our list. What makes H1 stand out immediately is its speed and athletic performance. It uses powerful motors and high-torque actuators that allow it to run, balance, and move dynamically in ways most robots can't. It's already set speed records for humanoid robots and can move significantly faster than earlier models. And with a replaceable battery system, it's built for continuous testing and development. This robot shows how quickly humanoid movement is evolving, especially when it comes to speed and stability. Number 6. Unitry G1. This is the best affordable humanoid robot on our list. What makes G1 so interesting is accessibility. It's smaller, lighter, and designed to be more widely used compared to high-end research robots. But it still packs strong performance, with fast movement, precise control, and advanced sensors like LiDAR and depth cameras. It also offers different configurations, which makes it useful for education, research, and commercial applications. This is the kind of robot that could bring humanoid robotics to a much larger audience, not just big companies with massive budgets. Number 5. Engineered Arts Amica. This is the most expensive humanoid robot on our list. What makes Amica stand out instantly is how human it feels when you look at it. It has over 60 degrees of freedom, especially focused on the face and upper body, which allows it to create incredibly realistic expressions. It can track people, respond to conversations, and interact in a way that feels natural instead of robotic. This is huge for areas like customer service, education, and entertainment, because once robots can communicate like humans, they become much easier to integrate into everyday environments. Number 4. UBTech Walker S. This is the smartest factory robot on our list. What makes Walker S so powerful is how well it integrates into real industrial systems. It's designed to work inside smart factories, with the ability to inspect equipment, transport materials, and assist workers in real time. It uses advanced sensors, including LiDAR and depth cameras, along with AI that can understand intent and tasks. So instead of just following pre-programmed steps, it can adapt based on what's happening around it. This is a big step toward fully automated production environments. Number 3. Forrier Intelligence GR1. This is the best healthcare humanoid robot on our list. What makes GR1 different is its focus on assisting people, not replacing them. It's designed for rehabilitation and healthcare environments, where precision and safety matter a lot. It has strong actuators, stable walking, and the ability to support patients during therapy or mobility exercises. And because it can handle different weight while maintaining balance, it becomes a reliable assistant in physically demanding care scenarios. This is where robotics starts directly improving quality of life in a very human way. Number 2. Adubot Ray A1. This is the most capable heavy-duty humanoid robot on our list. What makes this robot stand out is its combination of strength, speed, and flexibility. It can carry heavy payloads, move quickly, and operate in complex environments without losing stability. Its hands are highly dexterous, which allows it to handle different objects and tasks efficiently. And with production already ramping up, this robot is clearly being positioned for large large-scale industrial use. This is the kind of machine that can take over physically demanding roles across logistics and manufacturing. Number 1. Menty Robotics Mentybot. This is the most advanced, all-purpose humanoid robot on our list. What makes Menty Robot the number 1 pick is how complete it feels as a system. It combines strong physical capability with advanced AI that allows it to understand instructions, recognize objects, and learn tasks by observing humans. It has over 40 degrees of freedom, solid payload capacity, and full environmental awareness through its camera systems. But more importantly, it's designed to work across homes, offices, and warehouses. This is the closest thing we have right now to a truly general-purpose robot. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you're curious about how fast AI and research workflows are evolving behind the scenes, you can also check out Overseer OS in the description. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.